Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Mike, the automotive junkie, and I'm very excited today because today I'm actually going to be taking the C6 Corvette over to Complete Street Performance, and we're actually going to get the Loudmouth exhaust finally installed. So I've been waiting for this exhaust to come in. If you've seen my previous videos, you know some of the modifications that I'm doing with the vehicle, including cold air intake and the exhaust. So I've been waiting for this exhaust probably for about 4 months now. It's finally in stock and ready to be installed along with the cold air intake. And let's go, and we're going to do first a startup video so you could hear what the stock exhaust sounds like, and then of course once all the work is done you guys will get to hear what the new exhaust sounds like. Let's do it. There we go, guys. This is the day we're picking up the Corvette. I cannot wait to hear how the exhaust sounds. There's actually a vent on the dyno in there right now. There's a vent right here. It is vent central. Let's go and do this. Look at that, much bigger pipes. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Oh, air raids in there, ready to go. Should get a lot of good air in there. Can't wait. Alright, we're gonna try it. Yeah, that's way louder. Holy shit, that's way louder. Oh my God, that's amazing. I love it. That's cool. That is what it's supposed to sound like. Incredible. Unbelievable. What a world of difference. Woo. Oh man, I can't wait to drive it. All right, let's go. Comes back. There you go, guys, the SLP Loudmouth exhaust and the cold air intake, the air raid. Man, the car, it's completely woken up. Sounds amazing. Thanks so much to the guys at Complete Street Performance. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss another video. And I will catch you guys in the next one.